If you are looking for 100 feet garden hose, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to visit our YouTube channel Mimo Video or our website, mimo.video. At any time you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1 Metal Lantern Stand offers a secure place to hang gas and electric lanterns, sold separately. Number 2 Material, Hard Alumina Campfire Tripod. Number 3 Portable Camp Kitchen offers a stable cooking surface and ample storage space. Number 4 17-inch diameter grill grate. Number 5 Grate for hanging battery or fuel lanterns. For more grate related products, details and online deals, just click the circle. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe to our channel YouTube channel Mimo Video or visit our website mimo.video.